May 15th rainstorm. It's the May 15th rainstorm. I know it's been raining. I mean, it's rained a little off and on, whatever. But, like, it's been coming down for 45 minutes to an hour now. And I seen the neighbors, one part of the backyard is flooding. So I really thought there'd be a lot more water than this, but this is a lot of water. I mean, it comes all the way up to here. It regularly doesn't come all the way up to here like this. Obviously, there's some puddles now. And over the years, we had a lot of gravel put in. Used to be that real loose gravel, and then eventually this stuff all just keeps packing. Otherwise, the water would drain off better. But you can tell where the drive would be a lot more flooded, but when I've had the gravel dropped off, you can see that's a high spot. That was a high spot. There. And over there. Otherwise, the water would be even deeper there. I just got out of the shower. I should have showered earlier, but then all of a sudden, like, holy cow, it was dark outside. It looked like a tornado would hit. We don't usually get tornadoes, but, I mean, it was that dark. Like, for no reason. Man, it was about 3:30, maybe going on 4, but it's not dark, and it was dark as heck. And then this rain's been coming down for, seems like an hour. So I just wanted to get a little Mayweather, not the fighter, the Mayweather video. Thank God it's not snow right now, because that was the threat last week. We actually did have a trace of snow here. Supposedly down south of us, they had an inch. Other places, probably more. This is Northeast Ohio. Anything can happen. I've seen Mays for sure, like 30 years ago, a little bit in the 90s, but mostly like in the late 80s. I was working down by the power plant down there off the lake, and there was definitely snow, lightning, pollution in the air, besides rain and lightning and a little bit of snow, because I had to walk in it. Long story short, I mean, it happens. You know, I've seen Aprils, well, luckily this year we didn't get it. Other places did get it. I've seen Aprils where the lake's kind of warm, that wind comes across, and bam, we get a 2-foot snow in 8 hours or less. So we're just thankful that didn't happen to us. Other places did get, 7, 8 inches or more of snow back a month ago. So just where the jet stream is actually keeping us the last couple of years, we've had fairly mild winters, the way the jet stream is bringing it more to New York and Cleveland way and south of us. And the same with this rain. Who knows where it's coming to. And it was finally supposed to be a little warmer versus last week when it was cooled off. And here it is. It's been 65 or more all day. The one temperature thing out here says closer to 70, which I think that's off a little. Because it feels like it's 60-something with a damp rain. So there you go. Pool's going to be over there this year, hopefully. The yard over there is definitely flooded. If you can see, it's definitely flooded right over there. On the drive is. We can put a sailboat in here. All right. Talk to you later. Peace out. Thank you for a like, share, subscribe.